Welcome to my channel, everybody. Today, I'll be talking to you about how to do the push-ups correctly and also get more reps out of it. It is a very powerful exercise that you can train at home to get yourself stronger. You can do that anywhere, anytime. So this is one of the common mistakes where you see people's hips drop so low. So this is the second commonly seen problem. I call them the chicken wing push-ups. Your elbows are all the way flared out. The last one, rushing to nowhere push-ups. Here's my first tip for the push-up progression will be called the kneeling push-ups on the floor. Open your 5 fingers, keep your feet flexed, knees and feet on the ground, okay? Turn your elbows inwards, bend your body, go straight down and come straight up. So this is my second tip for getting the push-ups better. It is called negative push-ups. What you need to do is to get in the push-up position and you have to slowly lower yourself, controlled all the way down to the ground. You repeat the same thing. You will slowly go all the way down to the ground. So my last tip for getting the push-ups better is basically doing a simple full body plank. You'll be holding it for 30 seconds. Your arms are locked, your legs are straightened, you brace and control.